Sinabi yung vitamin C, ang dami niyan. Napakarami palang vitamin C, bro. Ascorbic acid, yung pinaka-common. Sodium ascorbate. Yan yung alkaline base. Meron pang calcium ascorbate na nakukuha mo sa pagkain saka sa mga dietary supplements or food supplements. Yun, ha? Maliwanag po yun, ha? Now, ang mga vitamin C, pare ko yun, di ba, sa mga vitamins natin, may mga water-soluble at meron mga fat-soluble. Okay? Para alam na alam po ng mga kasama natin.
Yes, Doc.
Pag sinabi yung water-soluble, yan yung tinatawag nating B and C. Vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Pag fat-soluble, ito yung ADEC. Hindi po ADEC ha, ADEC po para maliwanag ang usapan natin ha. Ito yung vitamin A, D, E, and K. So pag sinabi ang vitamin water-soluble, mabilis maihi yan. Yun po yun. Okay? The excess of the vitamins will be excreted through your urine as part of your urine. Okay? At pare ko, for the benefit of our empowered leaders, napakarami na po talagang health benefits, okay, ng vitamin C. Decades na po pinag-aralan at thousands na po ang studies about vitamin C medically. Okay? Now, to continue with. What are the possible uses of vitamins? Ganito po. I'm gonna be fast with this. Growth and repair of tissues in all parts of the body. Okay? To treat colds and diseases like cancer and diabetes. Brad, colds. Sabi nga po natin, very common ba ang colds ngayon? Christian, kagabi, medyo malamig ba?
Ay, oo, Doc. Pinatay ko yung aircon ko gabi, Doc.
Sa balat yung lamig kagabi. Okay, talagang sabi nga po natin, when you talk about colds, cough, ngayon kasi, Brad, pag nagkasipon at ubo ka, parang iba na tingin sa'yo ng tao di ba? Oo. Ang tingin sa'yo ng tao ngayon, may COVID ka, di ba, no? So, sabi nga po natin, para maiwasan natin yun, makatulong, malakas yung katawan natin, kailangan ng mga vitamin C. Especially, para mapalakas yung immune system mo. And protects from, pare ko ikaw na yung magbasa para maganda-ganda. Supports immune function and protects from?
Protects from viral diseases.
Yun, pare. Viral diseases. And again, when you talk about COVID-19, it's a coronavirus. Okay? It's a coronavirus. So sabi nga po natin, so Doc, makakatulong po ito. Definitely it will help us. Mapalakas po yung katawan natin. And prevents from getting scurvy. Ito yung mga sakit na because of vitamin C deficiency. At mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung mga possible na pwedeng mangyari sa iyo pag nagkaka-scurvy ka. Mapahapyaw, bleeding, mahina buto, yan. Yan po yung mga problema ng mga scurvy clients natin. Okay? Ngayon, isa pang proven na po sa vitamin C is that matindi tong antioxidant. Remember the words, my dear empowered leaders, antioxidants. Help ang sagot. Helps to protect cells from damage caused by what again? Free radicals from exposure to what? Toxins and pollutants. Brother Christian, malinaw-linaw pa naman ang mata mo. Lalo na, pares tayong naka-4 na mata ngayon, bro. Okay? Pakibasa nga pare, nasa ilalim. Yung...
Yan. Sabi, these toxins include first or second-hand smoke, exposure to, and the metabolism or breakdown of recreational and prescription drugs.
So, lahat naman po talaga will be possible toxins, lalo na kung hindi ka nag-iingat. So, yun ang kagandahan ng produkto natin. Palakasin ang antioxidants para nga po makatulong, maproteksyonan yung katawan natin against free radicals, toxins, and of course, pollutants. And that will be very important for all of us. Especially in these times of pandemic na talagang ang usapan ngayon, pare ko patibayan ng katawan. Maliwanag po, palakasan yan. Now, let's continue pare. Anong piniprevent nito? Ay, ang dami. Yung number 1 ng paborito ko dyan pare. Pare, masakit sa dibdib to. Pakibasa ka yung number 1. Prevent what?
Quick aging, Doc.
Alam niyo po sa mga buwabatang katulad namin, no? Kailangan to para medyo matagal yung aging process. Although proud to mention, my age is, I'm already 52 years old, sabi nga po natin, no? So, yan, stroke, cholesterol, circulatory diseases, rheumatism. Ang dami, bro. Okay? Streptococcal infection, bacteria po yun. Okay? Cancer, asthma, varicose veins, viral bacterial infection, allergies, and so on and so forth. So, kung iisipin yung mabuti talaga, okay, yan yung mga significance ng pag-i-intake ng vitamin C. It's already proven medically. Let me try to repeat for decades, with thousands of studies, proven na po na ang vitamin C talaga nakakatulong. Nakakatulong po. Okay? So, it's really helpful. Now, may mga benefits. Okay? Brad, okay? Ito naman yung mga tulong ng vitamin C. Pare, I'll give you the honor to read the benefits of vitamin C, pare Koy.
Sige, Doc, lahat na po ba?
Sige, pare. Okay.
Alright. First benefit is antioxidant capabilities. It reduces the risk of heart disease. It promotes cardiovascular health. May slow cancer growth. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. It boosts function of the immune system. It supports optimal eye and skin health. Improves absorption of iron and growth, development, and repair of all body tissues.
Ang ganda. Sabi nga po, kung isipin mo buti, ganyan pala kaganda yung effect ng vitamin C sa katawan natin. Mamaya bro, I'll be dealing more with the so-called cardiovascular health saka yung mga inflammatory diseases. Kasi napaka-importante ng mga yun eh. Okay? Now, bro, yung huling-huli naman dito, palagay ko ito yung dahilan kaya medyo naapektuhan sa akin yan eh. Kasi baka kainisip ko, baka konti ang vitamin C ko nung bata ako eh. Okay? Kasi ito pare, growth eh. Malamang medyo konti siguro yung vitamin C ko. Pero biro lang po. Genetics po yun. Wala akong magagawa doon. Okay? Now, let's continue, bro. Deficiency. Ito pa, bro. Ba't ka magkakaroon ng deficiency sa vitamin C? Brad, again, do the honor, pare ko eh.
Alright. Some individuals have deficiency to this nutrient, and this includes smokers, individuals who don't eat enough fruits and vegetables,
Yun.
infants who consume evaporated or boiled milk, and people with malabsorption and some chronic diseases.
When you talk about malabsorption syndrome, ito po yung talagang hindi mo na-absorb na maganda yung mga nutrients po. Okay, na naiinom at nakakain po natin. Yan ang problema po ng malabsorption. And when you talk about chronic, pare, to differentiate chronic from acute, yung mga sudden, biglaan. Yung chronic, long process yan bago mag-manifest. Okay? So, yan yung mga pwede pong mga dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ka ng vitamin C deficiency. And of course, aside from poor intake, syempre. Now, ito yung mga signs and symptoms pare ng vitamin C. So, these are also the things that you can be able to observe if you're suffering from scurvy. Okay? Again, pare ko, I'll give you the honors to read this, pare.
Okay, Doc. Signs and symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. Number 1, feeling fatigued.
Yeah.
Bruising easily, bleeding of the gums, pain in the joints, and iron deficiency or anemia.
Dami, no? Kasi nga, ma'am, ipapakita sa kanila, when you talk about yung tinatawag na connective tissues, okay? Malaki ang role ng vitamin C doon, especially when you talk about fibroblasts and collagen. And pag meron kang vitamin C deficiency, maapektuhan din ang connective tissues mo. Ito ngayon yung magiging manifestations ng isang kliyente that will be suffering from vitamin C deficiency or the one we call scurvy. Okay? Now, let's start continue. Hi, madam. Now, why do we need extra vitamin C? Ito na po yan. Okay? Brad, I would like to clarify the issue na ang tao, unlike other animals, kasi tayo naman talaga sabi nga po nila, animal din highest form lang talaga tayo, okay? Are unable to synthesize vitamin C endogenously. So, parang sa nabasa ko, no, wala tayong capability na gumawa ng sarili nating vitamin C sa katawan natin. So, all of the possible sources will be coming from exogenous sources sa labas. Nakakain, food supplements, and so on and so forth. Maliwanag. Now, ganito yan pare. Sabi nga nila, Doc, ilan ang kayang i-retain ng katawan? From what I've read, Brother Christian, 1.5 grams lang. Ang kayang mahawakan ng katawan natin na amount ng vitamin C. If you will go beyond 1.5 grams, may ihi mo na yan. Yun. Okay, ha? Kasi nga, let me try to repeat it again and again. Vitamin C is what again? Water soluble. So, hindi kaya i-hold ng matagal na katawan yan. Okay, so exogenous source, kakainin mo talaga o paano? Pwede ka kumain ng orange, okay, ng guava, okay? Mag-squeeze ng lemon, calamansi, exogenous sources, or food supplements. Game. Brad, eto yung tanong nila sa atin eh. Doc, ang dami na eh. Paano pa kayo nakikipagkompetensya? Napakarami na. Brother Christian, hindi tayo nakikipagkompetensya. That's number one. At hindi natin kailangan makipagkompetensya. Bakit? Ito kasi yan. Because we're using the so-called blue ocean strategy.
Doc, may question ako. May question ako.
Sige, bro.
Yung blue ocean strategy, Doc, parang nakita ko na yan eh. Nakita ko na ay protect natin, Doc. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng blue ocean strategy?
Okay. First of its kind. Okay? First of its kind. Kumbaga, tayo yung nauna. Okay? Ganito po yan.
Wow.
I-differentiate natin. Let's talk about red ocean and blue ocean. Red ocean, madaming kalaban. For example, City Number 7 Complete. Maraming kalabang food supplements yan. Nagkataon lang, the best of the best yung produkto natin. Tama, no? Kaya nga, di ba, City Number 7, if you're gonna recall, 2016 was awarded as the #1 food supplement in the world. Ganun kaganda. Pero ito, walang kalaban. Kaya pag red ocean, ang daming kakompetensya. Existing na sa market. Ang blue ocean, uncontested. Solo pa. Ibig sabihin, wala pa tayong karibal. Maliwanag. Okay, so, ang objective mo pag red ocean, beat the competitor. Diba? Kasi pagandahan kayo eh. Sa blue ocean, hindi irrelevant ng competition. Bakit? Wala kang kalaban. Paano ka may pagkompetensya? Tama, okay? So, hindi kailangan. Now, sa red ocean, ini-exploit mo ngayon yung demand sa market. Sa blue ocean, gagawa ka ngayon at mag-create ka ng bagong demand. Mas madali yung pare. Red ocean. Ito pare, ang ganda nito. Make the value cost trade-off. Okay? Sa blue ocean, break the value cost trade-off. Okay,
Doc, may question ako sa'yo, Doc. May question ako sa'yo.
Yeah,
Anong difference, Doc, ng make the value cost trade-off dun sa make or break? Ano yung difference ng, Doc, sa red ocean at blue ocean strategy?
Para linawin natin yung value cost trade-off. Kasi pag sinabi mo value cost trade-off, okay, pinapatas mo yung value ng produkto. Diba, pinapaganda mo. Problema lang, mas mahal. Dapat, di ba? Sa iba naman, medyo gagawin mong reasonable yung value para maging mura yung produkto. Tama. Sa atin, hindi natin kailangan. Binibreak natin yung value cost trade-off. Bakit? Wala nga tayong kalaban. So, number one, maganda yung produkto at a low price. Yun yung breaking the value cost trade-off, pare. Yun ang magandang advantage. And sabi nga po, no, align the whole system of a firm's activity, okay, with strategic choice of differentiation or low cost. Sa kabila, pursuit of differentiation and low cost, pare. Okay? So, as you can see here, sabi nga po natin, it's the same issue, same banana ng value cost trade-off, okay? Differentiation means what? Okay? Dapat talaga, when you try to differentiate our product with the other products, talagang maganda yung produkto natin. But again, let us try to repeat, mababa presyo. Reasonable ang price ng produkto. Yan. Okay, no?
Strategic choice of differentiation or low cost. Tapos yung sa atin, pursuit of differentiation.
Kasi sa kabila, pare, mamimili ka lang eh. Bababa ba ang presyo? Okay? Or patataasin mo yung value pero mataas ang presyo. Yun eh. Dito hindi. Pinipursue mo na parehas. Kasi nga, walang kalaban, maganda produkto at the same time mababa presyo. Okay? We don't need to adjust our prices. Okay? Ibig sabihin po, maganda produkto, walang kalaban, mababa presyo para sa mga distributors natin. Yan. And of course, our dear clients. Now, newest breakthrough product, bro. Sabi niya ba, Doc? Breakthrough. product. Yun ang ano nila lagi, no? Breakthrough product, Doc. How come? Okay. Pag-usapan natin ng maganda. Kaya, yan. Kaya nga sabi ko po sa inyo, sa ating mga empowered leaders, invite na po. Okay, share nyo na. Kasi pag-uusapan na natin ngayon. Let's talk about C Supreme. Okay? 500 milligrams capsule, your new generation, new normal, new smart vitamin C, bro. Sa ating mga empowered leaders, ha? Ito na ngayon. Kindly pay attention to this wonderful topic. Pag-usapan natin ng maganda. Okay. First, 100% natural. Okay. And Brother Christian, tingnan mo yung box natin. Look at the box. Okay?
Yes, Doc.
Anong napapansin mo dun sa box natin? Kung matanong
Yun nga, Doc eh. Itatanong ko nga dapat sa iyo, Doc eh. Napansin ko sa box, Doc. Di ba usually, Doc, pagka meron nakasulat, no approved therapeutic claim. Pero sa box natin, parang hindi ko napapansin na merong nakalagay. Bakit kaya, Doc? Anong reason? Bakit?
Tama. Kasi ganito yung pare. Ang usapan kasi, per country yan eh. Just like in the Philippines, pag more than 100 milligrams na ang isang vitamin C, categorized na siya as drugs. Okay? Oo, drugs na po. Eh, sa ating 500 milligrams. Pero I would like to inform our dear members of the community, drugs po ito, considered to be a drug, pero 100% natural.
Wow.
Yun ang difference, no? Okay, it's 100% natural. So rest assured po talaga na sobrang ganda ng produkto, natural-based. Sa pa pare, non-GMO, bro. It is non-GMO. Oo. It is non-GMO. Hindi siya genetically altered. Okay, it's not genetically altered. Walang binagong genetic alteration dito. Talagang pure na pure, natural yung produkto natin. Okay? What else? Allergen-free. Kung kinakabahan ka, may mga allergic reaction kayo, dito po, huwag kang kabahan. Okay? Meron siyang GRAS. Generally recognized as safe. So, yung mga fears ng ating mga kasama, makaka-apekto ba yan? Malalasong ba ako dyan? Naku, wala tayong mga ganong issue dito. Bakit? Natural-based to eh. At, pare may naalala ka ba sa nakikita mong yan? Clinically studied? Yung drawing? May nare-recall ka, pare? Drawing? Yan po ang buhay ni Christian for so many years. Okay?
Microscope, Doc.
Mentex si Mr. Christian Enrile, registered po yan. Okay? Kaya yan po ang naging nila talaga. So ito po talaga clinically tested, pare. Now, ito pa. Mekushir for the Jew. Halal for our Muslim brothers and sisters. And covering pa lang, Brad. Vegetable capsule na. Para magandang usapan, ipakita natin. Okay? Ito po yon. Okay? Eh, haba ko na rin lang, dapat inumin ko na. Yan. Okay, sabi mo ha. Okay. So, let's continue, bro. Doc, ano pa? The name of the product again is C Supreme. For a while lang po. Revolutionary organic formulation. Natural. Ng isang vitamin C. Brad, for our dear leaders, it is enhanced with lipid metabolites and citrus bioflavonoids complex. Brother Christian, pakibasa nga ulit yung tatlo para talagang mag-instill sa utak ng ating mga empowered leaders.
Tandaan nyo itong tatlong to, mga kaibigan. Vitamin C, lipid metabolites, at saka citrus bioflavonoids complex.
Very good. So these are the three major components of our product. And because of which, sabi nga po natin, ano nangyari? Noy, pare, pinaganda. Bakit? Clinically tested.
Wow.
Superior delivery, availability, extreme absorption kinetics, Brother Christian.
Doc, parang ano yan parang medyo familiar sa akin yung extreme absorption. Kasi Doc, medrep ako. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, naging medrep din po ako. For a few years. Parang Doc, parang madalas ko naririnig yung extreme. Ano kaya yan, Doc? Baka pwede natin ma-explain.
Kasi sa pharmacology po, for dear empowered leaders, there are two very important words na binabanggit lagi. Pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics. Yung pharmacodynamics, what the drug does to the body. Yung pharmacokinetics, what the body does to the drug. So ito po talaga, ang kagandahan ng ating produkto, mabilis siyang ma-absorb ng katawan natin. Okay? Sabi nga word nga dito, extreme pare. Extreme absorption. So, Doc, antindi. Higher cellular concentration kasi nga, mabilis siyang ma-absorb at supreme retention.
Yeah.
Pare, let me try to repeat, hindi po inimbento to. Ito po ay clinically tested po ng formulator po ng ating produkto. Yan na, Brad. Gumaganda na usapan natin. Okay. Again ha, Brother Christian, do the honors. Pakibasa nga yung tatlo ulit para hindi magkalimutan.
Supreme absorption, supreme retention, and supreme performance.
Pare, paano daw nangyari yon? Okay. Paano nangyari naging extraordinary itong vitamin C na to from other brands available in the market? Ito na pare, pakita na natin. Regular vitamin C compared to our C Supreme na tatlo ang laman. Tandaan nyo ha. L-ascorbic acid, citrus bioflavonoid complex, lipid metabolites. Number 1 is storage. Yan. Since ang vitamin C is water soluble, nahihirapan siya makapag-penetrate sa mga fatty tissues, such as your fat cells. Eto, since may lipid metabolites, para linawin natin sa ating mga empowered leaders, when you talk about lipids, taba ho yun, fats.
Yeah.
Pero ang ginamit kong taba dito, vegetable din po, para maliwanag na maliwanag po ang ating usapan. Okay? Now, since taba to, may lipids, mabilis siyang ma-store sa mga fatty parts ng ating cell membrane. Okay? So, sabi nga, Doc, teka lang, anong ibig sabihin yan? O, vitamin C. Di ba? Water soluble. Ano nangyayari? Bigla mo lang siyang nilalabas. Okay? Naiihi mo na yung excess nito, pare. Yun yung differentiation ng dalawa. Now, when you talk about absorption, sinabi ko na, mabilis mong ma-absorb sa ihi, o mabilis mong ma-excrete sa ihi, mailabas sa ihi, yung regular vitamin C, while our product will be supremely absorbed and retained in our serum. That's the part of the blood, pare. Okay? Yun yung serum natin at a higher level. Yun ang kagandahan ng C Supreme compared to other kinds of vitamin C. Diretso natin, pare, retention na. Mababa yung sa iba, mataas naman yung availability at retention sa C Supreme. Performance, syempre naman, simplihan natin. Brad, pag mas maraming natitira sa katawan, mas lumalakas ba ang function, yung performance?
Oh,
diba?
naman, Doc.
Siyempre, okay. So, ang word outperform other vitamin C sa kanyang metabolic functions, sa kanyang antioxidant functions, at sa kanyang free radical scavenging activity. Grabe, bro. Pero itong susunod, dito ko natutuwa credibility. Ayoko nang basahin, Brad. Mag-comment, okay? Doon sa iba, ayoko na mag-comment. Yung sa atin, pare, manufactured in a GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. Yan. Pare, ikaw na magtuloy para maganda, galing sa'yo. Certified, diretso mo, pare.
Certified USA facility, GMP as defined by the FDA, and the rigorous laboratory testing being done in order to guarantee purity and potency.
See? So,
Malupit.
pare, Amerika pinag-uusapan natin. Yung iba, wala akong sinabi, basta Amerika yung sa atin. Yun ang alam ko, Brad, okay? So, you already know, paggawang Amerika, Brad. Nothing against other countries, of course, pero pag Amerika ang pagkakamanufacture, alam mo, talagang matinding pinagdaan ng proseso. Okay? Now, pare, differentiate pa natin quality. Okay? Usually, pag synthetic, genetically modified corn. Okay? Pero sa atin, let me repeat, pinakita na kanina, 100% natural ingredients, vegan, non-GMO, kosher halal certified, allergen-free, generally recognized as safe, confirmed. Okay? Now, reliability. Yung iba, walang proven clinical studies or research na ginawa na pinalabas nila. Yung sa atin, pare, may peer-reviewed medical research and journals. O, sige,
Wow.
para mapaniwala natin talaga, bro. At pwede na lang i-research. Brad, C Supreme is made with pure whey C antioxidant super nutrient. Pare,
Wow.
kindly read the address para alam natin na talaga
Yan.
legal na yung ating produkto. Okay?
Ang Pure Whey C, mga kaibigan, maganda address niyan eh. Nasa 135 San Lorenzo Avenue, Suite 850, Coral Gables, Florida. USA.
Yun, ang matinding usapan, pare.
Matindi
Yun ang
talaga.
matinding usapan. Kaya nga, quality, alam niyo naman, again, we are promoting food supplements. Hindi po tayo nagpo-promote ng gamot para magkalinawagan po tayo, okay? Pero when you talk about food supplement, pantulong po yung produkto natin. It's there to help, okay? And talagang proven po yung mga products natin ng mga gandang food supplement. Remember that we try to clarify before we further continue that when you talk about supplementation, the objective is to bridge. Para siyang tulay, pare. To bridge the nutritional gap between the food that we're eating and the supplements that we're about to take. Okay, Doc. Linawin mo na. Ito yung ating mga pare. Kapitapitagang AIM World Wellness Advisory Council, Brad. Of course, spearheaded by our visionary president, Dr. Cabantog. Siyempre, siya po ang nangunguna dyan. Pakita pa natin yung iba. Doc, parang may isang bakante dito Yun na.
Okay.
Ito na yung formulator, Brad, ng ating napakagandang produktong C Supreme. Si Dr. Pedro Perez. Dr. Philosophy USA Research Scientist, Chief Chemical Engineer, and Head Product Development. One Innovation. Sabi nga po natin, grabe ito, Brad. America, pare. Okay? So, Doc, eting C Supreme Pure, again, sabi nga po natin, coming from Pure Way C. Exclusive natural herbal formulation. Brother Christian, kindly continue with the components again of the products para may diin. Okay?
Yan. Vitamin C, United States of Pharmacopoeia L-ascorbic acid, citrus bioflavonoids complex, lipid metabolites generally recognized as safe vegetable waxes.
Vegetable waxes. Hindi po siya galing sa animal fats. This came from vegetable waxes. Para diretso mo lang, C Supreme.
C Supreme have undergone proprietary microencapsulation technology to optimize long-term stability and to enhance therapeutic efficacy.
So, proprietary sabihin, meron tayong rights dyan. Sabi nga natin, yung kanyang microencapsulation process. So, if you're gonna look at the picture above, okay? Yung vitamin C, kung ito yung vitamin C na sa gitna, in-encapsulate ng lipid metabolites kuloberan. Yun ang kagandahan yan. Ang tanong sa atin lagi, I'm usually being asked, Doc, what then is the significance of that so-called lipid metabolites? And someone asked, sabi nga, ito pare, linawin natin supported by clinical research. Okay? Reliable in peer-reviewed medical journals. Papakita natin mamaya, pare. Pare, pakidiretso nga. Kindly continue, bro.
Okay. Reliable in peer-reviewed medical journals, positive and
superior results
in humans when compared to other forms of vitamins. Sa clinical, yeah.
Then, provides a clinically substantiated dose composition and, paano yung pinakahuli natin?
Yeah. Sorry, medyo nawawala ako. Provides a clinically substantiated dose composition, works faster and stays longer at the cellular level.
Okay. Although nabanggit na natin kanina, pare, pero sabi nga sa inyo, papakita natin sa kanila yung mga research na ginawa. Okay? Ito na po. Pare, sabi nga nila, Doc, paano increase absorption? Paano supreme absorption, supreme retention? Paano nangyari yon? Okay? Ulitin ko po. Ang vitamin C, binagit natin kanina kung gaano ka-importante. Thousands of research, decades of research, pero ito yung dinagdag. Citrus bioflavonoids complex. Ano po yung composition na yon? It is there to protect the vitamin C from oxidizers in the body. So yung mga nakakasira, piniprevent na yan, pare, para maproteksyonan yung vitamin C. At the same time, sinusuportahan niya yung ability to protect against chronic inflammatory diseases. Bro, so, Doc, ibig sabihin nakakatulong yan para maiwasan natin yung mga ibang mga inflammatory diseases sa katawan natin. Tama. It will also improve immune system function. Importante nowadays, napakaraming sakit na nakapaligid sa atin. And one of my favorites, bro, that's why if you're suffering from a certain bleeding or may mga wound ka, pare, for certain wounds, pare, it helps heal wounds. Yan brada, it helps heal wounds. So if you know someone na mayroong mga sugat-sugat, maganda ibigay po yung produktong ito. Now what else? Ang lipid metabolites formula, sabi nga po natin dito, will allow the ascorbic acid to enter cells more quickly. Dok, paano po yun? I-explain ko sa inyo ngayon to. Ganito yan, ha? Dok, paano pong nakatulong? I'm suffering from acidity. Okay? First barrier. Uminom tayo. Sabi nila, may hyperacidity ako. Walang problema. Bakit? May ascorbic acid to? Wala pa rin problema because of the lipid metabolites. Pagpasok ng C-supreme inside your stomach, pumasok siya pare. May lipid metabolites. Hindi siya nasisira ngayon nung acid ng stomach natin. Protected. Sabi nga natin, microencapsulation eh. From the stomach, they will now travel to your intestines. Remember this. Our intestines are said to be a hollow organ. Okay? Pero yung wall nito are being lined by different kinds of blood vessels, especially the capillaries. Yung pinaka-wall ng ating capillary, yun yung unang barrier. But let me try to remind you, since our product is encapsulated with lipid metabolites, they can easily penetrate the wall. So it will become part of your blood. They will flow with the blood. Now, pagka-flow po nila sa dugo, syempre, may encounter na nila iba't ibang cells ng katawan natin. Ito yan ha. Again, use your imagination. Kung ito po yung mga cells natin, may cell membrane po. Ang cell membrane natin, let's talk about our basic biology. Okay? Meron po siyang bilipid layer. Sabi, Dok, bilipid. Yung nasa labas at nasa loob, lipids. Yung nasa gitna naman, phospholipid. Phospholipid bilayer. Now, ganito po. Anong difference ngayon yan, Dok? Anong significance ng produkto natin? Always remember, our product is encapsulated by lipid metabolites. Yung covering ng cell, pare ko, by lipid. So, anong mangyayari? Kaya nilang pasukin kaagad yung cells natin. Thus, let me try to remind you, supreme absorption, supreme retention. Are, magandang picture yan. Lilinawin ko lang, hindi po ito buwaya. Maliwanag ko tayo. Hindi. Okay? Ito po yung bilipid layer, palaghiwalay lang. Okay, ha? So, ang gagawin ng ating C-Supreme, papasukin niya lang kaagad ng mabilisan yan. Ganun kaganda po yung produkto, Brad. Okay? Ngayon, talking about studies done by Pureway C, okay, ng ating partner, as compared to other kinds of vitamin C, Brother Christian, pakibasa nga Supreme.
C-Supreme. Saan dito, Doc?
Superior. I'm sorry, superior.
Superior absorption and retention by the human body, 233% higher than other forms of vitamin C.
Pare, ito yung study na ginawa nila. Pinakita ngayon, okay, yung absorption and retention sa katawan natin. As you can see there, talagang mas mataas po yung ating C-Supreme compared to other kinds of vitamin C. Okay? Involved na rin po dyan yung time or yung minutes ng kanyang absorption and retention sa katawan. So it's higher. Maliwanag na maliwanag. Now what else? Ito na, Brad, oh. Rapid fibroblast healing. Ilang percent, pare ko?
300% more efficient than other forms of vitamin C.
Very good. Okay, so ang pinapakita po natin, hindi po ito napulot lang natin kung saan-saan. Ito po yung studies na ginawa po ng formulator po ng C-Supreme. Okay, so para maliwanag po usapan natin, it is backed up by clinical studies. Bro, diretso mo, delivers
12% more antioxidant, 11% higher free radical scavenging activities.
Again, let me try to remind my dear leaders, okay? Free radical means what? Scavenging, para siyang basurero. Pag nakakita ng free radicals, para niyang pinupulot, or they will try to neutralize the free radicals. Okay, tapos they will also be preventing the oxidants from destroying the composition of the body. Okay, so paano mo ma-measure yun, Doc? ORAC value, saka DPPH method. So pag sinabi mong ORAC value, oxygen radical absorbance capacity ang ginamit dito. Okay, sabi nga parang Christian, medtech ka bro, so alam mo itong mga ganitong balatan, Brad. A method that measures the antioxidant capacity of a substance, di ba pare?
Yes, Doc.
Okay? At pag sinabing DPPH method, diphenyl picryl hydrocil, yan yung nag-determine the free radical scavenging capabilities of a product. May kinalaman din yun sa antioxidative activities. So, may dear empowered leaders, kung titignan mo mabuti, ito po yung mga advantages po ng C-Supreme according to studies done by the formulator. So, Brad, I'll do kindly do the honors, pare. Pakibasa.
Okay, Doc. C Supreme. All right, powerful antioxidant known to reduce inflammation, protect cells from cancer-causing damage, and defense against cardiovascular disease.
Wow.
It also helps prevents iron deficiencies by boosting iron absorption.
Yeah.
Essential for the growth, repair, and repair of all body tissues. It protects memory and cognitive thinking throughout the aging process and effectively strengthen the immune system against viruses.
Very good. So, ang daming functions, bro. Ang daming advantages ng produkto natin, Brad, if we're gonna analyze it. Now, ito, alam na alam natin itong mga to. Okay, let's talk about the facts. Bilanggitan natin banggitin lang natin ulit, 12% more antioxidant delivery compared to other kinds of vitamin C. Why again? Paano daw mas lumakas? Because of the, antioxidant delivery, because of the citrus bioflavonoids complex added to the product.
Yeah.
No higher retention, 233% higher retention of vitamin C in the human body. Bakit po ulit? Because of the lipid metabolites. Nare-retain sa katawan. Okay? Ano pa? O pare ko naman. Ilang percent yan, pare ko eh?
Fact number 3, C Supreme is 300% more efficient in promoting fibroblast and collagen healing.
Very good. Ano yung ulit yun? Let me try. Ito pare. Kasi lagi tayong tinatanong Dok, ano ba yung mga yan? Fibroblast collagen healing. For the second time, I'm gonna explain this. Yan po ay part ng mga connective tissues natin. And when you talk about collagen, 1/3 of the protein parts of the body are made up of collagen. So it adds strength, to our body. Sabi nga natin, stability. Yan talaga yung mga silbi ng collagen pag pinag-isipan natin mabuti. Now, syempre, pag pinalakas mo yung connective tissue, anong mga results niyan? Binanggit na natin kanina, pare ko, faster wound healing. Yan. And stronger bones. Okay? So, yun po yung mga advantages po ng C Supreme. Pare, diretso natin. Number 4 is what, pare?
Fact number 4, C Supreme has 64% higher reduction on plasma levels of C-reactive proteins.
Okay, pare. Let me try to remind our dear leaders kung paano ba itong mga C-reactive proteins niyan. Yan yung mga biological markers for certain diseases like cardiovascular diseases and certain chronic inflammatory diseases. So, ibig sabihin, pag napababa mo yung C-reactive proteins, ano mga advantages ng Brother Christian? Ay, nakakatulong sa ating cardiovascular functions. At pangalawa, pag pinapababa mo yan, yung inflammatory disease sa katawan natin, medyo napiprevent natin yan. So, ganun po yung significance, ng ascorbic acid po ng C Supreme. Now, what else? Pare, diretso natin.
C Supreme is 250% more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxin.
Parang Christian, as a medical technologist, are we being surrounded by toxins?
Ano po yun, Doc?
Are we being surrounded by toxins?
Oo naman, Doc.
Opo, anywhere you go, parang di ba, no?
Lahat.
Cleanest of the cleanest room. May toxins yan, may mga germs yan. Tama, no? So, since napapaligiran tayo ng toxins, hindi mo na nga alam kung saan ngayon talagang safe na safe, di ba? Kailangan pala kasi may immune system mo. And that's one of the functions of course, a great product, C Supreme. Maliwanag po. Now, let us try to continue. Ano pa bang nakalagay dito? Pare, diretso mo, Brad.
C Supreme has 83% more reduction of oxidized LDL cholesterol.
So, pare, linawin natin, Ang LDL cholesterol, biomarker din yan for cardiovascular risk. Sabi ni Doc, di ba pag cholesterol pangit, it depends on the type of cholesterol. Brad, sa laboratory, di ba, nagre-request kami sa inyo. LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol. Siyempre, ano ba yung mas gusto natin doon? Yung HDL. Kasi yun yung good carriers of cholesterol. Now, ito po, pag LDL cholesterol, these are the bad carriers of cholesterol. Taga-bitbit ng pangit na cholesterol. Ang matindi nito, binitbit na nga, pag inoxidize pa, kumakapit yan.
Wow.
Kung ito yung blood vessel mo, they will embed on the walls of the blood vessels. Thus will lead to hardening and thickening of the blood vessel wall, which we call as atherosclerosis. Isipin nyo, may dear empowered leaders ito yung blood vessel mo. Nagkaroon ng mga cholesterol dito, atherosclerosis. So ano mangyayari po doon sa lumen? Lumiliit. It will severely affect the flow of the blood. At the same time, pag nagkaroon pa ng konting clotting, you're dead. So, pag naiwasan mo yung pag-oxidize ng LDL cholesterol, napiprevent mo ngayon yung atherosclerosis. And that is the beauty of the product. Pare, number 7, diretso natin bro.
Supreme has 11% more free radical scavenging activities.
Pinag natin kanina yung ORAC value sa DPPH method, di ba? No? So, napakaganda po. And finally bro, itodo mo na. Ilang percent ka?
C Supreme has 1,200% more stimulation of healthy neurons and nerve regeneration.
Yun na ho yun. When you talk about the neurons, these are the nerve, the brain cells, okay, or the nervous system cells, sabi nga po natin. Okay, that will be the neurons. Tapos nagre-regenerate pa. Okay, so again, every time you talk about the nervous system, this is a great product that you can recommend to your clients. Okay? So, Doc, nasa na yung mga studies? Okay, ito na pare. Oh, Brad, part mo yan. Then,
Laboratory research in vitro. Grabe. Pagka in vitro, Doc, alam ko yung in vitro na yan. Talagang sa laboratory yan tinitest, Doc.
Since ikaw naman ay medtech, pare, basahin mo yung mga advantages natin sa laboratory research na ginawa.
Okay, Doc.
Sure.
Okay, protection of the nervous system by promoting the survival of the nerve cells. It delivers effective antioxidant and free radical scavenging activity, enhances normal wound healing by improving the function of collagen-secreting fibroblast cells.
Very
and
good.
It has a greater protective effect on immune cells that have been exposed to toxins.
Ngayon, sabi nga nila, Doc, yan yung mga laboratory research. Para maniwala, sabi nga, diretso mo pare, bago ko ipakita yung mga ginawa nilang mga studies.
All right, Doc. It better absorbed and retained in the serum at higher levels than other forms of vitamin C.
We've shown that already.
Blood levels of a common marker of an imbalanced immune response.
Very
and
good.
It decreases blood levels of a common marker of oxidative stress.
Thus, making your cells healthy and our body healthier. Maliwanag po. Okay, so, yun eh. Pero sabi nga po, Doc, teka lang. Paano yun? Ito yan eh. All comparative research studies in vitro, again, sa laboratory ginagawa, sabihin, outside the body. At pati na rin sa katawan. Pinapakita dito that C Supreme with pure whey C has superior capabilities when compared to other kinds of vitamin C that we've already mentioned earlier. Pero, Brad, as a doctor, alam mo naman ng mga doktor, mahilig kami sa mga clinical studies and research. And mahirap kasi ngayon magsabi ng mga magagandang functions without a clinical research. Tama po. Kasi lahat ngayon talaga will be based on clinical studies eh. Yan. Ito po yung ginawa ng ating formulator. Let me repeat, it's a novel vitamin C preparation. It's a new vitamin C preparation. Kaya nga po tayo po ay Blue Ocean strategy that will enhance neurite formation, paring Christian. So, for our dear empowered leaders, when you talk about the neurites, these are the extensions, okay, ng isang nerve. Kasi may cell body yan, may nerve, may isang cell body, okay? Tapos yung mga extensions niya, either axon or dendrites, yun po yung mga neurites. And fibroblast addition. Tapos sabi dito, Doc, ano yung reduces symbiotic-induced T-cell hyperactivation? Pag sinabi niyo po mga symbiotic, it means what? Substances that are foreign to the body. Yung mga substances na yon, syempre pag foreign yon, nai-stimulate ngayon yung ating mga T-cells, part of your immune system, na hyperactivate. So, babawasan po niya yon. Okay? Para po yung katawan natin, mababawasan din po yung mga inflammatory reactions. That's the advantage of our product. Okay? Now, what else? Okay? Diretso po natin ang usapan natin. So, Doc, ano po ito? Absorption, okay? Rates and free radical scavenging values of vitamin C, lipid metabolites in human lymphoblastic cells. Doc, sabi ko nga po sa inyo kanina, di ba? Ang kagandahan po ng ating produkto, okay? Vitamin C lipid metabolites, since encapsulated po ito ng lipid metabolites. Okay? Ano ngayon na nangyayari? Mabilis siyang ma-absorb sa katawan natin. It can easily penetrate the walls of the capillaries. it can easily penetrate the cell membrane, thus supreme absorption and of course, supreme retention. At yun po ang kagandahan po ng ating produkto na C-Supreme. Again,
Ayun.
sino po gumawa ng study? Benjamin S. Wicks and Pedro P. Perez, pare. Department of Biology and Environmental Sciences program. Sampu yan. Adelphi University Garden City, New York, USA. Brad, yan ang matinding usapan, pare. Talagang may clinical research tayong pinapakita. Yung kanina, Brad, if we're gonna repeat this, yung kanina, okay? Oops, wait a minute. Yan. Yung kaninang study natin, yung first, yan. Again, may Benjamin S. Wicks and Pedro P. Perez. Bro, ito yung published when? Okay?
Medyo blurred dito, Doc, eh.
Oh, March 1, okay, 2007. So matagal na, Brad. Matagal na talagang pinag-aralan. Okay? And ito naman, October 1, 2007. So, as you can see here, ito yung binabagit natin namin ni Brother Christian eh. When you talk about absorption, retention, okay, and yung kanyang antioxidant capabilities, through medical studies, pinapakita po dito na talagang proven po na maganda po yung ating vitamin C as compared to other kinds of vitamin C. And that is C-Supreme of Empowered Consumerism.
Grabe, no? Ang lupit ng C-Supreme natin. Kaya pala Blue Ocean Strategy, no? Walang katapat.
Yes.
Grabe, one of its kind talaga ang ating C-Supreme. Pero Doc, since tapos na tayo sa presentation mo, may gusto sana ako itanong, Doc.
Sige, pare.
Anong age ba dapat gamitin ng C-Supreme? Pwede po ba ito sa mga bata, Doc?
Okay. May papakita ko sa kanila, Brad. Again, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, pinapakita ko sa inyo, puro may mga medical studies, okay? Inilabas po ito, The Essential Guide to Nutrient Requirements, Washington, D.C., the National Academies Press, 2006, Brad. Ito yung Dietary Reference Intake, or DRI, for vitamin C by life stage groups. May recommended dietary allowance, may adequate intake, okay? May tolerable upper intake level. Yan, ito na po. At syempre, ito yung pinakamataas na dosage na pwede mong ibigay according to age. Okay, according to age level. So, maliwanag po tayo dito. Kasi nga, di ba sabi natin, in excess, inilalabas na naman ang ihi natin. So, kung mapapansin mo, kung mga 18 and above, kahit nga 1,800 or 2,000 milligrams, pwede kasi iihi mo lang naman yung excess. Pero, as a medical doctor, lalo po ang asawa ko yung pediatrician, syempre, aware din siya sa mga vitamin C compositions po or dosage na binibigay mo sa bata. Pag 500 milligrams po kasi, ideally and normally, we recommend 500 milligrams of vitamin C for our adult clients, 18 and above. Tama po. Now, if you will decide to give it at a younger age, pwede naman mga at least, todo na to, 12 years old.
Oh.
Pero, alam mo kasi mahilig ako sa pero eh. But, you have to consider the age of the client by the which formula yung ginagamit ng mga pediatricians eh. And kami po mga family med, ito rin yung ginagamit namin. Okay? When we try to compute for a certain amount of medicines that we will be giving to our pediatric clients, ang 7 to 12 years old, tandaan nyo natin ang pinakabata, pag 500 milligrams, 12 years old. The computation is weight in kilograms, age in years, okay? So 12 years old times 7 is how much? Mga approximately that will be 84.
84.
Minus 5, 79. Divided by 2, 39.5.
9.5.
Para walang butal, at least 40 kilograms yung 12 years old para makainom ng produkto natin. Safe. Pwede pa. Pero let me try to repeat again and again. Supposedly, of course, the best age that can take 500 milligrams of ascorbic acid will be 18 years old above. Klaro tayo dyan, ha? Maliwanag ang usapan natin. O, pare Koy, ano pa, pare? Para maganda-ganda ang usapan.
Okay, Doc. Next question. Ito, sigurado, tanong din ng karamihan to. Pwede daw po bang i-combine ang C Supreme natin sa ibang products natin?
Definitely. Siyempre, magandang-maganda. Lalo na yung sa ating complete Phyto Energizer, it's good. Even sa mga Colidus, walang problema yan, Brad. Lalo na yung white light saka perfect white po, bro. Okay?
Yeah.
Lalo na yung white light and perfect white. Remember, let me try to clarify this issue. Ang L-glutathione, para makapag-penetrate yan sa cells natin, kailangan siyang mag-guide ng vitamin C. Kaya nga, di ba nagbibigay, dati no, nagbibigay sila mga injectable, sinasama nila ng vitamin C. Although ngayon po talaga, mga doktor, ayaw na namin mag-recommend ng mga injectable gluta. Kasi nga, pwede siya mag-cause ng severe allergic reaction. At the same time, can also may also damage the kidneys. Kaya, ang ating white light sublingual spray, pare, may kasama ng vitamin C yon. Dagdagan mo pa nito. Mas nakakatulong yan, pare. Para ma-absorb ng cells natin kaagad, makapag-penetrate po sa cells natin yung glutathione, guided by the vitamin C. Yan ang usapan, pare. So, pwede. If you're gonna ask me, pwede, bro. Okay?
Doc, next question. Nabanggit mo kanina, Doc, na ang vitamin C or usually ang ascorbic acid, ang pwede lang i-absorb ng katawan is 1,500 milligrams. Does that mean, Doc, na pagka lumagpas doon, like kunwari naka 5,000 milligrams ng C Supreme, o may possibility ba na ma-overdose ang pasyente? Or ang gumagana?
Pero sandali, direct, pwede mo na kami ipakita. Okay? Para maganda ang usapan.
Tanggalin na natin, yeah.
Yan. Sige pare, ulitin mo yung tanong natin para for the benefit of our empowered leaders.
Yun. Kasi Doc, kanina, nabanggit niyo, Doc, na ang katawan natin, ang kaya lang ma-absorb na ascorbic acid is 1,500 milligrams or 1.5 grams. So, yung mga lalagpas doon, sabi niyo, iihi niyo na lang. Pero pag lumagpas talaga, like for example, na-take in niya ng isang araw, Doc, is mga 5,000 milligrams or 10,000 milligrams. Talagang ma-overdose ba yun, Doc? May possibility?
Usually, mga hypervitaminosis, mas applicable yun sa mga fat-soluble vitamins. Pero may mga studies din sila na talagang even water-soluble vitamins, pag sobra ang intake mo, will not be good to the body. Again, the word is hypervitaminosis. Kaya there's a certain level, certain dosage that we doctors, that we in the medical profession are trying to recommend to our clients na dapat talaga sundin natin. We cannot just go beyond. Kasi food supplements naman yan eh. In general, ang food supplements talaga, sabi nga po natin, wala namang overdosing, di ba? Kaso nga lang, let me repeat this. Ang mga vitamins po, meron. May word na tayong tinatawag na hypervitaminosis. That's why we have the so-called algorithm trainings of the company. Pati itong ginagawa natin VCon para aware tayo na may mga certain limitations in giving our products. Yeah.